Hi, I'm Yusuf. In this video, we will work on our last 4-axis simultaneous part. Actually, this part, I prepared this part to show you when there is when there is slots or another things on 4-axis cutting area. What will you do? It's simple. We will just copy the parts. We copied it with extract geometry. We first hide it, then reverse it, and now there's our copied part, and we will delete in this copied part these slots. I click OK. Now I will choose it as workpiece and make this simultaneous operation. Create operation, mill multi-axis and streamline. I will use it. Okay. I'll choose the first curve. Click OK. And second curve, helical, constant, 1 millimeter. Click OK. Projection vector toward line and tool axis away from line, and click generate. Okay, toolpath is finished. As you can see, tool is always turning on x-axis. Okay, how will we machine the slots? I switch on to original parts and create operation. I was generally making them with solid profile 3D, but there's a problem. Let me show it. I select the walls. One millimeter Z depths, multiple depths 16 and 1. I'll change it to MCS and choose the workpiece again. As you can see, tool lifts up on this blend, so it's not good. How will we do this? We will use floor and wall. Otherwise, we will have to use planar mill, but it's not a good operation for this. Okay, I choose the walls. MCS. Okay, zig, not zig profile. Depth per cut 1, 16 and 1, and I click generate. Okay, we delete the air moves with changing the heights and transfer rapids. Okay, toolpath is created and it's good. So how will we mirror it to other slots? Object mirror. I specified this plane. I show the results. I see the results and click OK. It is mirrored. I didn't have to do it again. Okay, it's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please ask me on comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you liked the video, please press the like button.